Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimberly Renee. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today, we're going to talk about coffee. Yes, coffee. If y'all like coffee like I do, put coffee in the comments. Y'all, I bought this coffee maker for my son. It was one of his Christmas gifts. I already had a Keurig, had it for years, loved it, right? When I tell you this coffee maker by Ninja, and this is not sponsored, of course, I ain't even monetized. I don't got no kind of nothing going on. So I thought it was just me until my daughter came over. She's like, I'm tired of you keep talking about this coffee maker. You talking about this coffee maker, this coffee maker. Make me a cup of coffee. Because they love coffee too, both my daughters. So I make her a cup. As soon as she tasted it, she said, oh my goodness. Why does this coffee taste so good? I told her, I don't know. I think it's something in the machine, child. So we both talk about this coffee maker. So my other daughter happened to come by one day. This was probably a month or so later. She never asked for coffee when she come over here. Every blue moon she do, but most of the time she don't. She got a whole coffee bar. After she seen my coffee bar, my little coffee bar, she went by her beautiful coffee bar. Okay, so I dialed up. It's real cute, and she tasted the coffee out of this machine, and she was like, "Oh my god," because she likes strong coffee. This coffee by Ninja is everything. And I haven't had my coffee today. I'm about to make me a cup. Sounds like let's record it and, you know, enjoy this coffee. Y'all, if you really love coffee, you don't want to get one of these. So I'm going to show you the coffee maker. This coffee maker came in 3 colors. This is like a very, very light blue. You barely can tell it's blue. And I think it came in like green color, like a light green color, like sage. And it was another color, I think black. My kitchen is dark blue accent, so I just got blue because that's it, you know. So I'm gonna make this coffee and I'm gonna show y'all how it works. Okay, y'all, so here is the coffee maker. Again, it's by Ninja. Got my stuff already. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna make a cup right now. Okay. I don't know about y'all, but I love Great Value. I tried all the coffees. I like the house blend. It is so good. This is the only one I buy. I've tried um, Garavelli. I tried them all. This, I've tried all the names. This is delicious. Okay, so I bought this coffee maker for him because my son likes lattes. Have a Keurig, but he likes lattes. So this makes lattes. So this little thing comes out, he can froth, da, 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 da. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Over here, I'm gonna just turn it. It's easier. Oh, no one spilled the water. So on this side, I can see it has this little pouch. This, you can take this out. You can take, this is for the pods. You can put this in if you want just loose ground coffee, lattes or whatever. I do pods. You store it in here. If you want this, you put this in here. Ain't that cute? Little pocket. It also has a little scooper, also for your coffee. Oh shoot! I keep about to knock this water thing over. It holds a lot of water. They have another one. This was like $99. They have one that was like $138 or something. I think I got it off Target.com or Amazon. I can't remember. And it just holds. I think it just holds more water or makes bigger ounces. I can't remember, but this is all I needed. Okay, so we're gonna put our little pot in here. And what I like about this is the settings. Let me show you. So, I don't know if y'all can see. It has classic, rich, over ice, specialty 4 ounce. That's what I think he uses for lattes. It has 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, 12 ounces. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what makes this special. I really don't. Because my Keurig, I feel, does the same thing. So I don't know if it's their filter that's in it, a filtration system. I don't know. The coffee tastes so good. So we're gonna do 8 ounces classic. If you wanted like a richer taste, you would put it on rich 8 ounces, and it would just make your coffee richer. So I think that's what my kids like, and that's what makes it a better tasting coffee. So let's get it. It's so cute, y'all. Good. I'm telling y'all, this coffee is so good. I have not used my Keurig since, and I think my son is a little like, you bought that for me. And I got a nice Keurig. I don't have a little Keurig. My Keurig costs $149. Sorry, Keurig. Moved over to Ninja. 'Cause I see. Okay, it has the little drip pan. Okay, so it's nice and hot. And y'all, this ain't got nothing to do with coffee, but I use this. I always try to get y'all cane sugar. It don't have to be organic, but cane sugar. Your ingredient, just for a healthier sugar, should only be cane sugar. It don't have to be organic, but cane sugar. I get this from Costco's. It's a 6 pound bag for, I think it's $6 or $7. So it's just a little. When you know better, you try to do better. So I try to do small things, healthier, that's affordable. If I can, I try to buy organic fruit, where I do buy organic fruit and things like that. Anyway, back to the video. Okay, so got my little sugar. Yeah, this is my favorite creamer. Southern Butter Pecan by International Delight. It's late. I ain't had no coffee. I already got my little spoon. Okay, y'all. Let's drink up. It's so good. Mm, y'all, it's so good. Check out these ninjas. One day maybe they'll sponsor me because I got a lot of ninja stuff. I'm gonna show y'all the Keurig so y'all can see. I do got a Keurig. Okay, y'all. So here's my expensive Keurig. This is a Keurig. This is my coffee bar. Check out my video. I did a video on my coffee bar, and I will I will leave it over here, I think, somewhere. I'm new to this. But yeah, I was cleaning my coffee bar, reorganizing. Check out that video. Okay, y'all, this is the end of this video. I want to wish y'all well. I pray God continues to bless you and keep you all, every last one of y'all. Even if you don't watch these videos, you just click for a minute. So I hope you stay to the end. And yeah, bye y'all.